In Navajanardanam, the pride of place was given to the worship of Kunti Madhava out of the 5 Madhavas that appeared in Pittapuram. Pendela Satyabhama is one such dancer. She is the last dancer of the historically famous family of Pendela Gangi and Pendela Nagi. Bharata Kala Prapurna Nataraja Ramakrishna learnt this art from Pendela Satyabhama and gave performances. Sri Rao Mahipati Gangadhara Rama Rao was a prominent patron of this dance form. Kingdoms and zamindaris were abolished. Owing to lack of patrons, Navajanardanam started gradually disintegrating. In course of time, due to social and political changes, dance performances were prohibited in temples, which had till then contributed to the growth and enrichment of fine arts and culture. In the past, several poets and art lovers had, through their efforts, enriched this 400-year-old dance drama. Sri Nataraja Ramakrishna has taken this burden on his shoulders and is propagating it by coaching his students.
సుందరమైనటువంటి శృంగార దివ్య దృశ్య
Navajanardanam is based on a small episode. One day, when Satyabhama was sleeping in her royal bed, her husband, Lord Sri Krishna, came in and woke her up. She was made to wear all her gold and diamond ornaments. Then he took her to a huge mirror. They both stood facing it. Sri Krishna asked her, "O Bhama, O Satyabhama, tell me, who is better looking, you or me?" Satyabhama replied that she was more attractive. Sri Krishna became angry and left the place at once. Sri Koradyacharya Sri Korada Narasimha Rao, a great exponent of classical dances, says, "This dance form of Andhra has been designed and is performed in a manner that common people can easily understand. It is an invaluable treasure of the Andhras. Navajanardana Parijatam essentially belongs to the variety of temple and court dances. Siddhendra's Phama Kalapam is performed in the Yakshagana meter. They do not resemble each other." Sri Arudra. In the eminent Telugu poet Ardra's opinion, There used to be different varieties of Bhamakalapams in Andhra. Navajanardanam is one of them. This dance drama used to be popular in the Godavari district. This is a temple dance form of the 14th and 15th centuries, customarily performed by Devadasis. The structure and execution of this dance is not found in any other Bhamakalapam.
ఈ నవజనార్దన పారిజాతం పెండేల సత్యభామ గారి సంతతిలో 4-5 తరాల వారు ఈ నవజనార్దన పారిజాతాన్ని ప్రచారం చేశారు.
When Sri Krishna becomes angry and goes away haughtily, Satyabhama is greatly distressed. She expresses it in a song, Dadhi Madana, O Krishna, come, and invites him to come back. Bhama Kalapam starts thus. Whenever a flute was distantly heard, she eagerly awaited his coming. The song, Allalavadu Hariyemo. Is that Krishna who is passing by?
Allalavadu 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 Hariyemo Oyamma Allalavadu Hariyemo Vadu Hariyemo Vadu Hariyemo Ento rajasami ee kollavaniki rajasami.
She sends a maidservant to Sri Krishna with a message, urging him to pardon her and come back to her. When Krishna rejects her request, she boils with anger. Yento Rajasame, oh what passions! And talks ill of Sri Krishna's silly deeds of the past. She does not stop at that. She threatens to beat him with the same long tresses of hair he had presented her. Jadato, with the braid or plait of hair. She is so happy when she sees him that she offers to worship him with flowers of gold. Bangaru Puvula, golden flowers.
తంగేరు పువ్వులా నిన్ను పూజసే తోరా నా స్వామి రంగపూరి వెంకటేశ రామా ఇంటి దాకా రంగపూరి వెంకటేశ రామా ఇంటి దాకా రంగపూరి వెంకటేశ రామా ఇంటి దాకా రారా స్వామి రారా నీవు రారా
In this manner, a small incident is spun out as a saga lasting 9 nights and enacted as a dance drama by a single woman, giving vent to several emotions and moods. With the appearance of Lord Krishna on the final night, Bhama Kalapam ends on a happy note.